Line 22, 7b214, polynomial of degree 7 and 3, Higgs event 45 degree angles, CERN Atlas Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And here we're going to talk about proton-proton collisions, 4 muons, Higgs boson event, polynomials, 3 and 7 angles 45 degrees, algorithms, and math equations found in the line 22 WOW data. So line 22, 7b213, Alcubierre drive metric tensor negative mass formula WOW Seti was the other video. February 1st, 2014, we're looking at the quotes and diagrams from Wiki. Polynomial of degree 7, there's the math equation that goes with it, and if you look at the graph, you see how the signal goes up, kind of goes, bounces down, bounces up, bounces down, bounces up, and then bounces way down and goes way back up. So February 1st, 2014, my thoughts. Higgs boson signal, collision of particles, polynomial of degree 7 is 2 muons, long hadron jets, Y and X is the 2 electrons after the Higgs event. So I'm comparing it to the Higgs event signals. You can see them on here. So results of a proton-proton collision with 4 identified muons, a possible signature of a Higgs boson. The image is from CERN. Okay. So I was looking at that and then looking at that graph of signals. So this is from www.gizmag.com. And then here's the diagram again to look at the signals. So February 1st, my thoughts. The polynomial of degree 7 diagram above looks like the Atlas results from the Higgs event, proton-proton collision, providing 2 electrons, shorter lines, and 2 muons, longer lines. So this would be your shorter lines, and these would be the longer lines, okay? And you look at in this here, you've got your shorter lines, and you get your longer lines. A candidate Higgs event from a proton-proton collision. Here's a better view of it. At the Atlas experiment, producing 2 electrons, short blue tracks, which should be those little 2 blue tracks there, and 2 muons, the long blue tracks. Image courtesy of Atlas, line 22 WOW Seti. Okay, so that's from my blog Alien Space Science News. I had the data up on there, and then of course there'll be links to that picture as well and where it came from. Line 22, 7b135, ALHC, protons, Higgs, CERN beams, Atlas muons, data 2012 WOW Seti. Again, we have another signal from that video. Polynomial of degree 3, and there's the equation. Discriminant of 3x2 minus 9x plus 3 equals 45. And I found that on a Google search. So my thoughts, February the 5th, 2014. This algorithm math equation brings us to the 45 degree angle found in the 2 muon jet hadrons from the Atlas experiment with the Higgs boson particle decay data for the Higgs event. So the keyword to Google will be factoring polynomials, and it'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching.